Hey guys, it's me Lilian, and today I think I'm going to do a video of me recreating Halsey's third album cover, Manic. Yeah, I think that'll be super fun. I've said before that I wanted to try different makeup looks and things I wouldn't normally do, and I guess I don't really wear makeup that much, so this is going to be a really fun experience. I don't have much experience with makeup at all. I've done a makeup look for a music video that I filmed a long time ago, I think in 2018, but it was pretty minimal and I didn't really know what I was doing with it, and there was definitely no glitter, so I think today I'm gonna experiment with this makeup look. And yeah, I'm just gonna start. I got these like e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadows in the shade Ocean Eyes and Bling Bling. I like that. So one is like this silvery glittery thing, and one is really dark, a lot darker than the one Halsey wore. I think she wore like a metallic lipstick as eyeshadow on her eyes, but I couldn't find anything like that, so I got these. But I also got this palette at Target. It's a Starlit Studio Kaleidoscope. It literally says Kaleidoscope, like I'm not kidding. And I took a sneak peek at this. I've never used this brand before or anything. And I think it's literally just pressed glitter. So like if I do that, it's just like glitter on my finger, which I'm fine with because I guess I need glitter for this look. So that'll be this. I also got this Rimmel London natural bronzer in the shade 20 Sunshine, if you're wondering. And I just got it because one of my favorite YouTubers, Ivan Lam, he does like skincare and makeup, and it's super informative and super fun, and he's just like a really genuine, confident person who I think is really cool. And I saw him using this, like he raves about this in a lot of his videos, so I knew I had to get it because if Ivan thinks it's good, it's probably really good. Literally some of the products he recommends like save my skin. I really trust his recommendations, I guess. I think she just needs blush. Okay, I think we're good to go. I don't really know. I think put on foundation. That's what you do first, right? Oh no, I think you do primer first. Okay, I got this. I have this VDL Lumilayer primer over here. It just makes my skin really glowy. It's like shimmery, so I think I'm gonna use that. And I just have this VDL foundation that I always use. Oh yeah, I have everything like very misorganized and messy, and everything's cluttered because I actually just came back from my dorm an hour ago. I lived in the infirmary at my school for a week because I had sleep paralysis, so that was not fun. And I'm just gonna spray my face because this is the Laneige cream skin and it's super moisturizing, so I'm just gonna moisturize. That was a little bit too much, but it's okay. I think I'm definitely like a skincare junkie, but I don't know that much about my makeup. Sorry, I just need water. I think all my friends went, like, not all of them. Two of my friends, Princess and Charlie, they went on a ski trip to Vermont, which was really fun. And then my friend Jane went into the city to stay the night, which is really cool as well. I should probably do something like that, but I'm here. I have too much stuff. It's a problem. Okay, nothing has gone horrible yet. And note the word yet. Ooh, I like that. It's like dewy, very dewy. I'm sorry if I don't have a really cool video or whatever prepared. And if this doesn't sound really cool to you, I'm very sorry. Yeah, I don't really know what people really want to see, and I usually like make a lot of stupid videos. Like I'm totally aware of that. My YouTube channel has a lot of weird stuff on it, random things. Like I was going through my old videos with my friend because she was trying to torture me, and one of them is literally how it feels like to drink milk and Coke, and it's just a bunch of effects, but very trippy. So I don't know what's going on in my head all of the time. I never know what's going on in my head, and it's just doing its thing. But I feel like making YouTube videos like it's kind of fun on days where I have nothing to do, like today. Like I can just do something stupid and justify it by saying, oh yeah, I made a YouTube video. You know, it's a cult maybe. My lips are very dry. I'm just gonna moisturize my lips with this Sugar Advanced Therapy lip balm by Fresh. I feel like a beauty guru. I'm so cool. Yeah, I love this so much that I literally like dug into it. And some people say, oh, that's so disgusting, but like I'm not gonna waste this stuff. A tube of lipstick can be expensive, especially this one. This one's kind of pricey, but it works very well. I don't know why, but I can't like film a video when someone is doing something, you know, like one, I think it's really annoying, and like two, I just feel uncomfortable. I don't really know why. I think I'm gonna go in with this and just highlight the higher points of my face, cheekbones, brow bones, and stuff like that. Okay, perfect. My face is very glowy right now, which I like. I think I'm gonna put on foundation now. And you know, I've been seeing like a lot of comments and just like jokes and memes online about like the coronavirus, which is like an absolute horrible thing. Some of them are really insensitive. Like there are these memes, it's like, oh, when the Chinese kid coughs and it's like everyone's freaking out. I know like the internet likes to make fun of things, and I'm usually okay with it because you know it's like very sarcastic. I don't like it when it gets like racial, you know, like the coronavirus isn't a Chinese thing. It started from China, and anyone who is in that area can get it despite your like ethnicity. So it just feels really weird that people are saying stay away from the Chinese kid, or like the Chinese people out of America and things like that. I think like same thing with the Ebola thing. And actually like it's really horrible people saying these things, because I literally can't go home for 6 months because of this virus. Like I don't think I'll be able to go home for spring break. That means I won't be able to go home until the summer, and it's just like I don't like it when people joke about that, because my family, my friends, they're all back in Beijing. It's pretty painful to see that this is happening, and I don't like that people are making it a joke, because it can be pretty serious for some people. For me, it's not even that severe. I know that for people who have relatives living in Wuhan and have family members that are working with patients who actually have the virus, like it's very dangerous, and they're taking a risk to save other people's lives, and that's not something you should joke about. I'm just gonna dot it around the under eye and then blend it out afterwards. I'm gonna put it on like some spots that I have. Yeah, I feel like I've been wearing makeup a lot more lately because there was a dance, and then I did like a whole look for that. Even though my friend Kendall really actually did the makeup. It was really fun. And a lot of people complimented me, so I felt really confident. And I think I'm gonna like do more interesting makeup stuff, because I feel like makeup is really cool. I just don't know how to do it. Okay, now that that is done, I'm gonna put on more highlight, because that's what Halsey did in her video. Like she made herself look super dewy. I have this stick highlighter by Suzanne that my friend gave to me, but you can get in Japan. I have the shading stick as well that's matching with this one. I think I'm gonna rub it onto the high points of my cheeks and stuff. I'm just gonna go directly onto the stick and then. Ooh, that's really pretty. I really like it. And yeah, it's done. Like I love how it looks when the light shines on my cheekbones. I'm gonna put some here as well. Right here. Thank you, Jane, for giving me this a long time ago, but it's super nice. I love how it looks. I think she did her brows next, so that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I collected a lot of makeup items over the years, so I have a lot. Even though I don't really do makeup, which is really stupid. I'm trying to use them more, so they're not going completely to waste. I have this Etude House Tint My 4-Tip Brow, and it's in number 4 gray brown, and it matches my brow pretty perfectly. When I use it, it's kind of like that, and it's just really natural and looks like the hairs on my brows, and I don't have to spend a lot of time like drawing it. Like you see how immediately it looks like I have more brows, even though I don't have brows. So that's really nice. I'm gonna use this spoolie brush thing to brush it out a little bit. And then I'm gonna use this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Oh, dropped it. Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 5. And it has like a really fine tip, so I'm just gonna line like the end of my brows. I feel like I'm really good at doing my brows because I used to do it a lot because I don't have brows. I used to be really self-conscious about that, and I like did my brows in every video because it was apparent in the videos that I didn't do my brows that I had no eyebrows. But I feel like I've been better with that now. I'm like, I don't care anymore. You can see like my brows just stretch longer, and I like that look, so yeah, we're gonna go with that. And I think the next thing Halsey did in her video was the eyes. So we're gonna do that now, finally, after a long time. I think I'm gonna start with these e.l.f. liquid glitter shadows. I'm just gonna open it. I've never used this before. I just got it today. So I got it specifically for this video. I don't know how this is gonna go. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's very small. I thought it was going to be bigger, but it is tiny. Like, look how big the packaging is. Like, look how small the actual thing is. Like, I thought it was going to be like a long tube, but it's only this. So this one looks like this, and one is like a very dark blue, and one is just silver. I think I'm gonna blend them together. I'm just gonna put it on my hand and blend it in. Oh, it's very thick. I don't know how I feel about that. I thought it would be more liquidy, but I like the silver one. It's actually very pretty. So if you can see here, like this one is ocean eyes and this one is whatever it's called. Oh, I forgot. I threw the packaging away. That's what they look like. I'm gonna attempt to blend them. I don't know how that's gonna go. Also, not a lot of product comes out when I take it out, so I don't know what's going on. Okay, this is not catching on at all. But it's okay. We'll just have to move on in life, you know. That's what happens. Okay, I blended it with the blue like glitter, but it's just not showing up, so I'm basically just blending concealer. But I think that'll help prime for the other stuff, so guess I'm okay with that. Also, I think Halsey did her right eye, but I'm gonna do my left because my right eye, just like, if you look, I have different eyelids, and this one's like much easier to do because it's a double lid, so monolids be hard to deal with. I'm sorry people who have monolids, but I get you. I get double eyelid and monolid people. Like, I'm literally a hybrid, so my face is not symmetrical and it's sad. I think I'm just gonna use this and then tap it onto my eyes because brushes don't work as well as my hands, so I'm just gonna do this. Oh, okay, I like that. I like that. This is turning out okay. I just like take it in and then I swirl it around a lot, and then a lot of pigment comes out, and then I just tap it on my eye. No idea what I'm doing, but it's okay. And I really like Halsey's album concept. I feel like her album concepts are always pretty interesting. It gives the music videos a lot more meaning than just like the singer dancing around. Okay, I like this. I think it's a little light for my liking, but I can definitely, I think I'm gonna try this out. I don't know how this is gonna go. So I'm just gonna dab it on points of my eye and then blend it out. Okay, this does not blend. I kind of regret doing this. Okay, it's blending a little bit. Okay, I don't hate it at all. I don't hate it. I think I'm gonna use this and just tap some of it in. Oh man, this thing rubs off. Oh my god, do you see this? It's like glitter on top, and then like where I touch my fingers, it's like a different thing down there. Oh, this is such a scam. Oh man, okay. Okay, I'm just dabbing what I have on my eye. Okay, I feel like it's definitely more glittery, but it's not as glittery as Halsey's eye, and it's not as pigmented, so. Oh, okay, so this dries down a little bit better, so I might just try that. Oh, this is so sad. This looks so cool in the box. It is not so cool out of the box. Okay, this is blending out, okay. Honestly, it's not blending out horribly. Okay, I actually like this. It's very glittery, but I honestly like it. Okay, so this isn't that bad after all, I guess. Don't judge a book by its cover. It's not super pigmented though, I'm not gonna lie. It looks really pigmented in the bottle, but it's not so pigmented, like, if you actually put it on. Okay, I'm just gonna put this on, I guess. Yeah, I think this will make it a lot more glittery. I feel like this is just a melange of glitter. Intriguing. I feel like it's still not blue enough, so no freaking idea what I'm doing. Like, hope this really settles in. Okay, so lesson learned. These like glitter shadow things don't really give pigment, they just give glitter, so yeah. Okay, I really like this. I feel like it looks great. And I think I'm gonna line my eyes a teeny tiny bit. I'm gonna use this McQueen waterproof pencil gel liner. I don't know what shade this is. It's like a really, really light shade. It's like a beige color. It's like that. And tight line my waterline. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but it just makes my eyes like pop a little more. I have this contouring stick by Suzanne, so I'm just gonna contour my face with it. Okay, and just do wherever you need. Actually, I'm gonna go in with this brush over here and make sure there's no blue on it, and just like contour my nose because I feel like that didn't really do what I wanted it to do. I'm gonna go in. This is the art class by Rodin that I've just been using as a mirror, and it has like 3 shades. I'm just gonna go in with the 2 darkest shades. Down the nose a little bit. And just below the lips to make it look plumper. I think that's what it does. And kind of blend it out a little bit over here and over here as well. And yeah. Oh, that looks good. I like that. I like that. I think I'm gonna use this Suzanne. I use a lot of Suzanne, I just realized. I think this is a lip balm in BE1. This was also gifted to me by Jane, who's super, super kind and always gives me gifts. It's in this like pinky nude shade. Okay, this is so hard to open. I'm just dumb, I don't know. Oh, this is really dark. This is much darker than I anticipated. I haven't used this in a while. Oh, those 2 blended really well. Okay. Yeah, I think I like that. It's like a nude kind of shade. Oh, and this looks really cool. I really like it. I can make some faux freckles. I'm just gonna rub it out so it's not like super, super obvious that it's there, or else it gets kind of unnatural. And yeah, this is the finished look. So yeah, that's it. Oh, ow! But yeah, this is my halsey manic recreation. I hope you liked my video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like and comment below what you would like to do as a makeup look, or anything you want to see from my videos, or just how your day went. I would really love to hear from you guys. I think there's like 62 of you guys, which is crazy. If I really think about it, it's like 62 people watching me do crazy stuff in this room. So I'm really thankful for you guys, and I would love to talk to you guys more. I just want you guys to know that I read all the comments. I get like 5, so yeah, I'll reply to your comment. Very excited to know all of you guys, and bye. See you in my next video. I think I'm gonna try and post bi-weekly from now on. Bye, see you in my next video.